If a situation in Salesforce when during the creation of some record you need to notify the specific person, so let's describe the way how we could actually do so. So at this moment we have a requirement when we have a new product request record is created with the status submitted, or for example some already existing record was in the draft status and then it was updated to record submitted. What we need to do is we need to actually have a notification here which will allow us to understand, like that for our specific locations run a new product request. So let me demo you that functionality. So at this moment, if you will just clone that record for us to, in order to get new record with this status equal to submitted. So we are creating that record. And what we could see at this moment that notification, let's say icon is updated with this +1 notification, and if we are looking here, right, we could see that for our location, we could see that there are something new what was added. So when we're clicking on that specific notification, it's actually land us to that specific detail page. So let's imagine that if you was looking for some home page and then you got this notification, you could click on it and then you could observe, let's say, related information to this product request. Let's say you could go and see what is, like maybe product required, where that specific product request, where is the approval status, and so on and so forth. But the basic idea is for us in order to be able to get this notification. And in Salesforce, for us in order to be able to organize it, we have an option to actually create a custom notification. And then to be able to control if it should actually work for mobile and for desktop device. In order to do so, what we are doing is we are going to the custom notification and we're just creating a new record. So as you could see, there are not so many options. Let's say just name, IP name, and possibility to set up support the channel, desktop or mobile. So in my case, I just created it for the product request and I set up it to be desktop and mobile. So then what is required for us is to create a record triggered flow. So in my case, I decided to have a basic entering condition on my object product request when record is created or updated. For that specific condition that I have, or status equal to submitted, and I'm just do it after insert of that record. So when it's done, what I'm doing next is I'm actually getting my custom notification, right, via this developer name. So in my case, it's a product request. So then what I am doing is I'm actually have a collection variable, right, and that collection variable is actually allowing me to assign IDs of users whom I would like to notify. And then, as you could see, collection variable. If I am going here, I have this recipient ID, and I'm adding here just a record owner. So if it's required for you to notify someone else, let's say in case of field service lightning, you have a possibility for you to specify, for example, if you would like to specify some destination location owner, right, about it. So you could do it like this, or if you would like to notify source location owner about request, you could also do like this. So all these kind of items are possible. And then what we are doing is we're just using the action. Inside of action, we are specifying our notification IDs that we got on the first step when we got this custom notification record. Then we're specifying our notification body, then notification title with a possibility for us to use merge fields, and then our recipient IDs, right, which is a collection variable, and then our target object ID. And target object ID we are actually getting from the basic records that we got from here. So here is a way for us to organize that specific functionality.